Hi everybody, it's Carrie here from 258 Coffee, and I'm here to go over this week's way of upcycling our bag. So this idea is actually one that I got from a teacher that we follow on Instagram. Her name is Erin, and I put her Instagram handle down in the comments so you can go and follow her. And she had posted a way that she helps her students get rid of negative thoughts or things that have been bugging them by having them write down on a piece of paper or a post-it note or anything that they can get their hands on, something that's really been bugging them throughout the week. And what she does is she actually shreds them. She has this really cute little shredder that she puts all their things in so they get shredded and they go away. But for us, what we thought is that you would be able to use your coffee bag from 258 Coffee as a way to put their negative thoughts, things that have been bugging them in the bag. So have them write it down, put those thoughts in the bag, close it, and those thoughts go away. And what's really cool is that you can then take the bag full of those things that have been bugging them and recycle them. And they are off their shoulders and off their plates. And so we figured that would be a good way for you to connect with your students, or even use this method at home with your families or for yourself as ways to get things off your chest and off your shoulders during the week. We also wanted to give you an update on our jalapeno that we had planted a couple weeks back in one of our bags. It's doing very well. We've got some flowers going and some little baby jalapenos starting. So make sure that you check out our other videos on other ways to upcycle your bags in the classroom and at home, and our interview with Joey, so that you can start to get to know us a little better. So make sure that you're following us on Instagram and Twitter at 258 Coffee, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube so that you can keep getting updates from us. All right, see y'all next time.